Skills and attitudes. Every great negotiator must have. Negotiation is both an art and a science, requiring a blend of technical skills and interpersonal finesse. To excel as a negotiator, you must possess a unique combination of capabilities and attitudes that enable you to navigate complex discussions, build relationships, and achieve mutually beneficial outcomes. Here's an exploration of the essential skills and attitudes that define a great negotiator. Skills for a great negotiator. 1. Active listening. 1. What it is: the ability to fully concentrate, understand, and respond thoughtfully during discussions. 2. Why it matters. Active listening ensures you grasp the other party's needs, concerns, and motivations, helping you tailor your approach effectively. 2. Effective communication. 1. What it is: conveying your ideas clearly and persuasively while adapting your style to the audience. 2. Why it matters. Clear communication prevents misunderstandings and fosters trust. 3. Emotional intelligence, EQ. 1. What it is: recognizing, understanding, and managing your emotions while empathizing with others. 2. Why it matters. High EQ allows you to navigate emotionally charged situations and maintain composure. 4. Problem-solving skills. 1. What it is: the ability to identify solutions that address the needs of all parties involved. 2. Why it matters. Successful negotiation often hinges on creating win-win scenarios. 5. Strategic thinking. 1. What it is: planning your approach, anticipating challenges, and identifying opportunities during negotiation. 2. Why it matters. A strategic mindset helps you stay focused on your objectives and adapt to changing dynamics. 6. Research and preparation. 1. What it is: gathering relevant information about the other party, industry trends, and negotiation context. 2. Why it matters. Preparation enhances your confidence and ability to make informed decisions. 7. Conflict resolution. 1. What it is: managing disagreements constructively to achieve a positive outcome. 2. Why it matters. The ability to diffuse tension is essential for maintaining productive discussions. 8. Adaptability and flexibility. 1. What it is: the willingness to adjust your approach as new information emerges. 2. Why it matters. Negotiations are dynamic, and adaptability ensures you remain effective in changing circumstances. 9. Analytical thinking. 1. What it is: assessing data, identifying patterns, and evaluating options logically. 2. Why it matters. Strong analytical skills allow you to weigh the pros and cons of different solutions. 10. Closing skills. 1. What it is: securing agreement and finalizing the terms of a negotiation. 2. Why it matters. Closing effectively ensures all parties are clear on the outcomes and commitments. Attitudes for a great negotiator. 1. Confidence. 1. What it is: belief in your ability to achieve a successful outcome. 2. Why it matters. Confidence inspires trust and gives you the presence to advocate for your interests effectively. 2. Patience. 1. What it is: the willingness to allow negotiations to unfold at their natural pace. 2. Why it matters. Patience prevents rushed decisions and allows for thorough exploration of options. 3. Empathy. 1. What it is: understanding and valuing the perspectives of others. 2. Why it matters. Empathy builds rapport and creates a collaborative environment. 4. Integrity. 1. What it is: adhering to ethical standards and being honest in your dealings. 2. Why it matters. Integrity fosters trust, which is crucial for long-term relationships. 5. Resilience. 1. What it is: the ability to recover quickly from setbacks. 2. Why it matters. Negotiations can be challenging, and resilience helps you stay focused and determined. 6. Open-mindedness. 1. What it is: being willing to consider new ideas and perspectives. 2. Why it matters. Open-mindedness encourages creativity and innovation in finding solutions. 7. Goal-oriented. 1. What it is, staying focused on achieving your desired outcomes. 2. Why it matters, a clear sense of purpose guides your decisions and keeps negotiations on track. 8. Humility. 1. What it is, acknowledging that you don't have all the answers and being open to learning. 2. Why it matters, humility strengthens collaboration and prevents ego from derailing discussions. 9. Optimism. 1. What it is, maintaining a positive outlook even in difficult negotiations. 2. Why it matters, optimism fuels creativity and helps you see opportunities where others see challenges. 10. Decisiveness. 1. What it is, the ability to make clear and timely decisions. 2. Why it matters, decisiveness ensures progress and prevents stagnation. The synergy of skills and attitudes. To be a great negotiator, skills and attitudes must work in harmony. For example, 1. Empathy and active listening allow you to understand the other party's position deeply. 2. Strategic thinking and patience help you navigate complex scenarios without rushing into decisions. 3. Confidence and integrity give you the authority and trust needed to secure agreements. Conclusion. Mastering negotiation requires ongoing practice, self-awareness, and a commitment to growth. By cultivating these skills and attitudes, you can approach every negotiation with the tools to succeed, whether in business, personal relationships, or everyday interactions. Remember, the best negotiators are those who aim to create value for all parties while maintaining integrity and respect.